Hey everybody, hey, what's up everybody, what's up, people? Coming to you live, House of X Entertainment presents, it's me, Winston, yes, honey, coming to you now live. What's up Twitter family, what's up YouTube family, what's up Facebook family? So my new lovely stove is here, and as you guys can see, it's the Rangers Electronic cinematic top. So this seems like it's very modern, guys. I have never really had a electric stove like this before. So this is the manual. It's brand new, literally came like out of the box, so it's brand new. Shout out to the landlords, yay, that part, yeah. So this is the manual and everything. So it tells you about everything here and so forth. So let's go over to the stove, guys. Ta-da! This is the top of the stove, right, guys? So I'm gonna turn on. Okay, let's see here. All right, turn on. Okay. So this is the top of the stove, guys. And it also has a little light here where this is the temperature that keeps the temperature. So like if you're not using one of the burners, it turns it off for you. So that is good. That is really good to have. So it turns it off for you and it just keep it on warm. So this is one of the modern day stoves, electric stoves. Okay. I'm gonna turn this off. All right, I'm gonna show you guys the oven. Okay. All right. So remember I said, guys, this is brand new. All right, and see, this is the oven. The last oven did not come with a light, so it looks like it's a lot more deeper than our old stove. The old stove, you know, so it comes with a light. Of course, it works and everything. So, yes. So this is Rangers Rangers Electronic Cinematic Top. Okay, guys. So I do recommend this electric stove if you guys are looking to get one for your home. Now, if you have an apartment, that's a different story. Your landlord's supposed to replace it. You can just turn the light off like that, and then that's it. So, guys, this is the new equipment to the kitchen, which you guys will get to see me making lots of Sunday brunches on this stove. And yeah, see you guys.